trying to say? Spit it out. Spit it out. Huh? Spit it out. Come on. What are you trying to say? Huh? Oh, I love you too. Oh, I love you too. Oh. What are you trying to say? Huh? What are you trying to say? Yeah? What is it? Hmm?
Say hi to the camera too. Bless you.
Oh. Yeah, look at you, cheeky monkey. Ah, you cheeky monkey. Mm. You planned that, didn't you? Didn't you? What's wrong? You alright now? Hmm?
She wants to sit out. Say.
You want to sit up? Is that better?
He's like, what's this guy doing?
Is that sort of better? There you go. Hey? You gonna sneeze again? You gonna trick Daddy? You gonna trick Daddy, huh? Yeah. You're gonna sneeze in my face. Aren't you? Oh, you're too smart. You're too smart for Daddy.
Jamie.
You're way too smart. Oh, what's that? Huh?
Jamie.
What was that?
Jamie. Hello. Wave. Hello. Say hi.
Hmm? I'm hungry, Jamie. I'm hungry. These look nice.
You can teach her to blow us a kiss in the camera.
Yum, yum, yum. Okay, blow us a kiss. Hey. Hey. Oh.
Jamie.
What do you think of the food? What? Good girl. Aren't you? You're not gonna forget us. Hmm? What's that? What's that? Oh. Oh. There you go. That's better, right? Yeah. Oh. Look, you got a double chin like Daddy. Huh? You got a double chin. Oh. Hey. Ah. Come on. Why you always look so uncomfortable? Huh? I know Daddy doesn't have the skills. I know. I try. Oh. Oh, no, don't go to sleep. Don't go to sleep. Your turn. Oh. Hey, you can hold her. She looks so uncomfortable, man.
Does she? She's alright.
She's always wriggling around. Why are you always wriggling around for? Huh? Why are you always wriggling around? You're special, baby. Yeah.